Click the FTP icon or select FTP utility from the button template to open the utility. Under session name, click Add to create a new FTP server. Enter the name you want to assign to the server, along with its credentials: host name, port number, remote directory, username, and password. Then click OK. Click Save Path to set the saving folder for the root directory. In this demo, the FTP server is hosted locally on the computer. Under File Format, choose PDF under grayscale mode for this example. Click Apply to save the settings to the FTP utility button. Double-click the FTP icon or press the corresponding scanner button to start scanning. Open your FTP client and refresh the directory to see the scanned file.